Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy halo braid hairstyle. To start, I've popped the hair into a side parting and left a few pieces of hair out to frame the face. Now we're going to take a chunk of hair next to the parting and divide this into 3 equal sections. And I'm going to cross the front section under the middle and then the back section under the middle. Now we're going to go back to that front section and we're going to add a slice of hair and cross it under the middle strand. And then we're going to cross the back strand under the middle strand without adding any hair. So add a chunk of hair to the left hand strand or the front strand, cross this under the middle strand, and then cross the back strand under the middle strand without adding any hair. Keep braiding this way until you get past the ear, and then we're going to start angling this braid across the back of the head just in line with the top of the ears. So remember, where you hold your hand is where the braid will end up. I've left a few pieces of hair out around the neckline just to soften the look. So continue adding hair only to that bottom section, but making sure that you angle your hands so the braid follows the middle of the back of the head. Keep braiding this way until you reach the opposite ear, and then all we're going to do is angle the braid upwards towards the top of the head, and then when you run out of hair we're just going to finish this off in a regular 3-strand braid and just secure this with a clear elastic band. Next we're going to apply some texture spray all across that braid. Again, I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. Next, all we're going to do is pinch and pull at each loop of that braid to make it nice and voluminous. Now, taking a small topsy tail tool, again I'll leave it in the description for you, we're going to pop this into the start of the braid, and then we're just going to pass the ends of that braid through the loop and then pull the ends through, so it basically tucks the end of the braid into the start of the braid. And with that very last little tail end section, we're just going to wrap this around a bobby pin and tuck it underneath the braid. Loosen up the hair at the crown by pinching and pulling. And then we're just going to secure the side of the braid that angled upwards to the head to make sure that it's nice and secure. And then lastly, all we're going to do is use our straighteners just to bend the hair away from the face, and also give the hair at the neckline a wave as well. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.